South African economic growth is estimated to be, less than 1% currently. So the future is sort of uncertain, but depends on how the South African economy, sort of performs or will respond to the current challenges that it's facing. This has affected us adversely as Cummins, just like it's affecting other sectors in various sectors. However, mining is dependent on manufacturing. So we mine based on the demand from manufacturing. And when we look at the producer, producer indexes, they show that there is a decline in demand for raw materials. Therefore, the mining will be somewhat adversely affected because of the low demand from the manufacturing sector.
Molly, what we've actually done, we've taken it one step further, where a generator, power generation, backup systems is capital items, and most of these equipment are procured on a tender basis through consulting engineers. We've got involved with the Electrical Consultants of South Africa, the association, and we involve them on what is referred to a continuous development program, where you're sharing knowledge and educating people in the sector. So we've spent a lot of time over the last 2 years, and this is an ongoing process, with a lot of the major consultants who's involved in the mining industry. We run courses at their facilities, or we do it off-site, and it's beneficial to both sides of the field, where both of us obtain points and accreditation points from the Electrical Association, which benefits everybody, and it's a sharing of knowledge. We all don't know everything, so we put our heads together to come up with something uniform. But the other side to it, is that we have total turnkey solutions as a company, and we use a bit of bragging rights in the sense that when we refer to our generators, we speak of the power of one, whereby the engine is a Cummins engine, the turbochargers is a company that Cummins bought out years ago, and is now called Cummins Turbo Technologies. The alternators, we bought out Stamford and AVK a good few years ago, so the alternators are ours. So you get two components from one company. The electric controllers to control the generator is Cummins equipment, so that encompasses everything as a power of one. And we do diesel generators, we do, as I mentioned earlier, natural gas generators and biogas. But the beauty of our alternator divisions is that we run on standard low voltage systems, 400 volts being the most common. However, the mining sector generally uses 525 and 550 volts on your more small to medium scale equipment. We do that as standard as part of our own equipment. Then we go further. When we go into bigger setups of power supply, transporting low voltage power becomes a lot more costly. So we go up and we start working into the medium voltage side. And we produce power at 3.3 kV, 6.6, up to 11 kV, all with our own products. So, we've gone and become a turnkey solution provider. We would come in, we do your surveys, we'd monitor your loads for a week, 10 days, however long it takes to get us average and proper figures, and then we'll design a solution and install it and maintain it accordingly. We are involved in projects through most parts of Africa, not just South Africa. We working on projects at the moment, which I can't disclose because of NDAs that we've signed with people and being new upcoming projects. But what I can tell you is that we're working with projects based from 1 megawatt up to multiple units, forming 4 megawatt units at the moment. So that's what we currently, and that's not only in South Africa, like I said, it's for most parts of Africa. Between ourselves, on the application engineering side, it's actually quite healthy to say we're two of us involved in it, And between the two of us, we've got 65 years of experience. However, having said that, with all the experience we have, every day is a new challenge.
Yeah.
We don't stick to the norm. We're always trying to find a better solution. How can I make it a better solution that's going to be more reliable, that's going to produce more than what I need, and at the end of the day, save the client money?
Yeah.
It all goes back to money. So we're looking at innovative ways of doing things. You know, the old way of saying, well, that's how it used to be done, let's carry on. With us, that goes out of a window every day.
I think for us as well is how do we make sure that the customer gets their return on their investment? And I think that is a key objective of ours, to make sure that we provide solutions and we build relationships, and long-lasting relationships, so that through others people can learn about us and what we can do.